Guys, welcome back to another vlog. Hope you guys are doing awesome today. Welcome to all my subscribers and my prospective subscribers. Big up on a nice clean self. So guys, we are outside one more time. Guys, I am downtown Brooklyn, New York. So I'm gonna take you on my lunch break with me, guys. Yes, I'm outside. I'm looking something to eat. So I'm gonna take you on my lunch break with me. Don't watch the headband, guys, and my shirt I changed because I worked in my company top, so I took it off and have on my t-shirt to come outside. All right, guys, let's go for lunch. So I'm not sure where I'm going. Not sure where I'm going, and I don't have a lot of time either. And I'm not gonna get any Jamaican food down this side. That's nice. Oh wow. So let's go, guys. So guys, I'm actually at Court Street. Court Street, Federal Plaza. Um the immigration office, the Federal Plaza is where you could take out your new passport. You go for interview for your new passport and all those stuff. If you have any immigration issue, that's where you go. Normally I would see the line from this side, but yeah. Let me see what down here. It's really clean. So guys, this is the best oxtail in Brooklyn, Jamaica. It's cooking rice and peas and so forth. Selling also over there. Oh, I almost get it down. Let me hurry, guys, because my time is running out and I don't see anything to eat. I see this Jamaican lady, don't know if it's Jamaican, I see this lady selling food, but yeah, this is what Shake Shack. see the Burger King down here. Oh, oh right. I see a Burger King. I'm inside Burger King, guys. Guys, I'm inside Burger King. Waiting in line